Thank you, Lord, for what you've done for me.
Matt here, Home Farm Ideas, and today my chicken, my barred rock, is about to lay an egg. This is how every single egg you've ever eaten is laid. But the conditions of my chickens are much better than the ones you would see in the farms that you get your eggs from. So let's see how this goes. There it is. Breakfast. That is a barred rock chicken egg laid by mouth. Not too shabby. So anyway, that's how I get my breakfast eggs. They're organic. There's no genetically modified anything in that. My chickens aren't injected with hormones. And they taste better. And they're actually better for you. Way less cholesterol. All kinds of different stuff. So anyway, join us on Home Farm Ideas so you can see all the different videos and things that people do in the city. I live in Huntington Beach. These are beach chickens. So anyway, God bless you guys.
Thank you, Lord, for what you're doing now.